Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today we are going to talk about write function, right? Which is again a part of text series. In the Excel, write function is a text string that provides how many characters are on the right side of the string. This function allows user to return the last characters in the text string depending on how many characters they specify. So suppose here this is an example I have taken. So this is the text reference, cell reference, and this is the number of characters. This is optional, right? So just hit equals, then write, hit tab, give cell reference, and then give a comma. Then suppose last 3 character I'm going to extract. So 3 close bracket. So only OFT has been extracted here. Same way, if I don't give anything, what will happen? Write, hit tab, give cell reference and close bracket, hit enter. So only T will come up, because as we know, if we don't give anything, it will by default take the last character, as the formula says. It will extract the last one. So that is all about write function. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.